today we have the Infernape V box, and this is really interesting because Infernape has not appeared much in any other shows, but I think Diamond and Pearl, right?
I think so. So, let's get started in this box.
You're gonna get that next time.
Why am I gonna get kicked out? I bet I kick you out of your own video.
Can't.
Yes, I can.
Okay.
Because I'm the boss around here. I am now.
This is my channel, Ollie.
Okay.
Quick code.
We got some Lost Organs.
So we have Infernape V Jumbo. Yeah, whatever this is. So we have Empoleon. The code's really cool.
Yeah.
Then we have
The Infernape V.
Infernape V.
So I'm gonna put in case probably.
Whoop!
And now we got a Lost Organs pack, another Lost Organs pack, and then we got a Fusion Strike pack, and an Astral Radiance.
I hope I put a Radiant Gardevoir in this.
Okay, pick one.
I'm going to take Astral Radiance and Lost Illusion.
I got Fusion Strike. I'm gonna go Lost Organs. Because I like this Pokemon.
Okay,
I have the V form.
I am going with Astral Radiance.
I'm going Lost Ollies.
Why is it so small?
Fusion Strike sucks. I'm lying. It's good. But I don't really like it so much. I like Lost Organs.
Lost Origins is
I'm a weirdo.
if I put a V card, then it cranks it up a lot.
Whoa. He's gonna win. Nope.
Okay, so there's
I
Water
changed my mind.
Energy.
He's not gonna win. You
Lost
got Lost
in.
City. You got Colors Experiment.
Coolio.
You got Bronzong.
Grant.
We got Energy. Then we got Rotom V.
Wait, what?
Rotom
Wait, what?
V.
Precision Overquill.
Then we got Radiant Hisuian Sneasel.
Radiant? Radiant?
I got a Radiant. Can I keep it?
No, it's fine.
Wah.
Fine, buddy. Oh, it's
Meta.
Mantine.
Oisey.
Cypher.
C-Dot.
Hisuian Basculin.
Taimo.
Hisuian Voltorb.
Wumple.
Gallery Optigoon Full Art. We need another case. Oh, wait, cases. We need more cases.
Put
that to the
Which
side.
one do you want a case?
Rotom B.
Okay.
What case he's active?
These are
Oh
the-
my gosh.
It has that person in the background.
Yeah, okay.
Which one do you like more?
I would say the Radiant Hisuian Sneasel.
I traded B for that.
Wait, I'm not buying.
What?
I'm not buying.
No, I'm not joking. I'll trade B for it. Whoa. I'm gonna win.
We have Water Energy.
Oh my god.
Soul
I'm
Coon.
gonna question.
Lady.
Yeah. Adventures Discovery.
Lampet.
Got a Trevant.
Litleo.
You got a Exegil.
Minfu.
Then
Litwick.
you got Metal
Gooey.
Energy. Got a Willaboom V Rapid Strike.
Vonzong.
You got Snom.
Wind Up Arm.
Eevee.
Gradient. Okay. Pompole. Wow, I think I actually lost. I think I
Glassow.
lost.
Galley Mouth. And a Taimo.
Tino.
Whip it in half.
This is for you guys.
Let me do it. Let me see the card.
No, stop.
This is for you.
It's not whipping. What is this made out of?
That's for you guys. Now we have.
Confetti.
And now we have one of those cards that have four to make up one. Leave a comment who do you think won. Okay.
Thanks.
Well, Tom.
I can't believe we got a Radiant card too.
Yeah.
Yo. Okay. And thanks for watching this video. Subscribe down below and leave a comment. Bye.
Leave a comment.